Hey guys, so I'm coming at you today. I am super excited for today. So first of all, it was Capri's first day of preschool. I thought I could do the whole homeschooling thing. Turns out, nope. So anyways, she went to her first day of school today, and in about an hour, I hope, Patty's gonna be showing up here in Moab, and she's gonna be experiencing free flight for the very first time. Oh, I cannot wait. She's literally staying one day, so I'm freaking out. I'm gonna pick her up and we're gonna head out to Porcupine Ranch over to see Chris Armstrong and Susan Hilliard and the gang out there, because there's a whole free flight retreat going on this week and next week. So if any of you want to join, come on out to Moab. Everybody's welcome. Anyways, so yeah, I can't wait to come at you guys with some free-flighted birds today, some patty, and all that good stuff. Right now I'm just getting a bubble tea for breakfast because I like to keep it healthy. I got Patty! Woo! And we are at the driveway of Porcupine Ranch, so I'm going to take her up this amazingly smooth. I just winked, but I'm wearing sunglasses. Whoops!
The wink was justified.
Yeah, it's really bumpy. So we'll come at you guys when we're actually there seeing free-flying birds for
I am
the first
so
time.
excited. This is my first time. So
Seeing
excited.
flighted birds.
Wait.
There's Pie with him. There's Delilah and I think we'll call him Rocky.
Patty, did you see the 3 sun conures trying to keep up with that flock of cockatoos?
No, I did not.
There they are. Oh, see them? Oh, there's more than 3. Flock of cockatoos.
Oh, this is awesome.
Look, Patty. Here come the Major Mitchells. And the Galahs all landed over there.
I love how they broke off into groups.
Oh, look. 2 Macaws. Looks like Delilah. Is that Buckle?
What's his name? I can't think of it.
Oh, and there's cows.
I want to say Rocky, Rascal, but that's not it.
Rowdy?
Rowdy.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay.
He's the only one.
It's really hard to put it all together. Was for me anyway.
I think it
would
is for
be.
everyone.
Yeah.
Is that
kind of a-
Delilah?
I think it's
With Rowdy, maybe?
yeah. Nobody else will fly with her. They've nipped her tail feathers.
Welcome to Porcupine Ranch, Patty!
Sorry.
You got the biggest cockatoo on your head.
The biggest cockatoo. Don't poop up there. Yeah. The biggest poop in my hair.
Get too intense. It has been somebody.
Yeah,
A bunch more just flew in that way. Kayla, sweetie.
No! Not happening! Oh my gosh, look at how many birds are on the window now. Susan, are you home?
Come on, Delilah. Oh, no.
Yeti. There he is.
Wow!
He's a big boy.
He's a big boy. Oh, they're knocking on the window.
Come here, sweet girl.
They're just knocking on the window.
Any predators in the yard for about 3 weeks.
Oh, here comes one. Oh, here we are.
Hi, guys.
Oh, my God.
You little baddies.
You're big birds.
That green? Yeah. No.
There's Phoebe, Lily, and
Wow.
Becca.
Get out of the way. You're facing by a sun conure. Yeah.
Yes, no, it's yes, making it skeptical.
Oh, it's a little
Very
baby!
skeptical right now.
No, they're all yes. Call this the...
Hi. Hi. Buckle.
So cute.
It is. Just put themselves away.
You can do it. Come here. Want to come? Come here. I'll give you a ride in. No, forget it. Good job. Come on, Rowdy. Good boy. Can you come on in? Oh, he says, other dog, these ones already in. Yeah. Thinking about it. Come on, Bagel. Come on, Bejeweled. Ready? She'll go there and hang her feet down so I have to go. You coming here? Come on, come on, come on. Yeah? Are you okay? Yes. Come on, good girl.
Well, guys, Patty and I had an amazing day at Porcupine Ranch with Susan and Chris. It was super fun to see Patty's reaction of free-flighted birds for the first time, and seeing her covered in cockatoos at every point. And she's just like, "You think cockatoos love me?" And I was like, I think it's a little obvious they do. So it was super fun. And if you're wondering what this place is, Susan Hilliard has a zillion parrots, and I want to say 40 at the ranch or so, but my numbers are maybe off. Anyways, and she free flies them at liberty. And what at liberty means is that she lets them all out in the morning, and then she doesn't call them in until the early evening, around 4:30 or 5 o'clock at night. And she calls them in at that point. They all come in and they get their dinner, so they get their one meal a day. If she's not flying them, then you know, they get to stay in, and I think they get 2 meals a day, but it's a really hefty good meal at night, cooked veggies and everything, so it's something they want to come in for, and they're anxiously awaiting. And it's just a really cool thing. You know, not everyone can do that because it's totally a lifestyle thing, flying at liberty, but it's cool to see and witness. It's really a magical experience. So I hope you guys enjoyed a little insight on that. And if you're ever wondering when I'm tagging Flying Colors Aviary or Porcupine Ranch and wondering what the heck we're doing, we're usually flying, and it's just fun to fly around her birds because they're always out, and their little antics are a lot of fun. So yeah, that was our day. I hope you guys enjoyed following us around. See ya.